Hello, I'm Steve Cantor with Other Foods Kitchen. We're a shared commercial kitchen for food producers. We're Department of Agriculture certified, 24 hours a day. We do a lot of fun stuff, make food, whatnot. Uh, kind of a glimpse of things that we do. Uh, Look at that, local food production hub where makers launch brands and the community picks up freshly made, ready meals. Uh, Today I want to talk to you about our order processing system. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to plow through this, so bear with me. Of course, if you have questions, let me know. You can email me, call me, text me, holler out the window. Uh, if this is anywhere close to something you think you need, let's talk about it. So, you're a food producer selling, oh, you may sell in lots of ways, but we're focusing right now on selling wholesale to retail groups, either retail stores or cafés, restaurants, whatever groups that may resell your product to consumers. So you've got customers, you've got orders. Um, those orders have, of course, details. You know, uh, your products that they're ordering. Let's go straight to your products, and could be things like bread, blah, banana bread, or Benefiz, or you may sell mac and cheese. You can sell whatever you want. Uh, and then you've got recipes for those, which ties together the ingredients that are needed for those products. Uh, then we have uh, the sales from your customers. So let's look at customers from, oh, up until, we're probably not going to get sales from today, but through yesterday. So let's run a report. And what this is doing, it's running the report for, of course, your customers that are, you know, signed up with you. It grabs the data from their point of sale and whatever it is that you're making for them. Uh, you know, whatever items there are, shows you. Of course, you don't care really about that, but counts and all that, so you know how many they're selling, so you know when you need to replenish all that. Hopefully, it makes sense. Then we've got. Uh, let's go back to batches. When you make a batch of whatever it is that you're making, banana bread, what have you, uh, then you've got each batch that you're making allows you to track everything that the Department of Agriculture wants you to have uh, for tracing. So you've got photos of, look at that little tiny photo of all the ingredients that you have for that batch. Just click a picture of the whatever it is that you use. You put in some orange juice from Tropicana. You just take a picture of their batch number, and Department of Agriculture loves it. They know that if something gets recalled on one end, uh, then it goes all the way, and they can trace it back to your product, and you know what batch that's in, etc. Um, that's the long and short of what our order processing does. Once again, customers, orders, you've got products and recipes and ingredients, and then you've got retail sales, you've got batches, you've got photos of all that. Hopefully it makes some sense. Like I said, reach out to me. My contact information is on otherfoodskitchen.com. You have a wonderful day.